Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are fine and you guys can see the situation of the plants here. Yesterday was rainy weather in Lahore, Pakistan, and early morning so much rain in my area. And now you can see it is the November of 11 2023, and you guys can see the situation of the red Indian rose is growing well, and other rows you can see here are also growing well. Unfortunately this plant was died before, so I tried to recover it. I use the Epsom salt, and it is the grafted variety of the uh, grafted rose and we called it English rose. So mostly the dieback attack like this in all the branch, so that is the reason I cut the branch. And you can see here new leaf also arrive. Few are healthy and few are infected, so I hope in few months it will be recovered, inshallah. And now you can see the pink flower here. It was also facing the dieback problem, and let me clear it. And it was called Paris Beauty. The nursery guy told me about the name, and it is the healthy now, alhamdulillah. But the dieback branches was I cut here, the dieback area, those branch, and because of the pH level is not well, so that is the reason few leaves are getting yellow like this. But overall, alhamdulillah, this plant growing well, better. And 15 days ago the rosemary was attacked by the bugs, and I used neem oil and also the semi-organic for the pesticide I use. It's on my YouTube channel, and you can ask me in the comment, and I will teach you and send you the message how you can make that fertilizer. Lemon is growing better, but all leaf are uh, fall down when the time is complete, so that is the reason few branches are without leaf. So I hope you understand the basic uh, overall gardening tips and things I already share. So this one, the also the other species of Indian rose. First one is the different species, and this one I grow Thai basil and type of medicine herbal plant I grow from the seed. And you can see 7 years old the Thai basil is growing well. Before it was died also, but alhamdulillah overall in the season it start grow again well. So now you guys can see these are the big plant of the Thai basil I grow from the seed, and now it is producing the flowering from the different branches. And you can see it is the two plant of Thai basil, and you can see the height and alhamdulillah the growth. The special kind of fertilizer and soil I was make in the pot and shift, and you can see alhamdulillah it's growing well, so much well. And same like this, the same soil I used here in the small, and the soil you will find on the my YouTube channel. Basically I was make that soil for the rose plant, but I grow them also in this plant and rose plant, pink rose soil, and this plant soil you can see is the same soil. And now let me see the situation of the cutting. This one is die after few days, so I will pluck them off from the ground, and you can see the dieback here is start because off season and without a greenhouse I grow the most of the rose cutting, so that is the reason mostly the cuttings are die. And same like this, after well few weeks it I think it will be die too, but overall it's growing well and producing me the flower also. In September start I was put the soil here, and this one the pink uh, rose cutting which I previously show you. So let's see it will survive or not, because here was the dieback in these two branch or those branches I cut off. So I hope you understand overall the cutting. And these one the stevia plant, it is these two I put nearly 10 days ago via cutting for a propagation of the stevia plant, and now these two are growing well. And same day these two also I put in the soil, but I think they will die soon. I hope you understand. Thank you for your time. And one more thing I want to tell you, I try to experiment here to multiply the mogra motia plant, jasmine plant. Thank you. I hope you everything understand what I want to explain you. Assalamu alaikum.